I'm in the Monastiraki area. Oh, that looks good. All these little streets on the side. That's an interesting shop.
Vale, c'è pure la vuole parlare che se devo io ci siamo, ci sappiamo come che le fate.
Parking is almost non-existent in Greece, so don't rent a car. Car rental is cheap, parking is expensive. It's like antique shops. Let me see what. Let me see what they got here. Looks good. everything looks good. We can go and pause the video for a minute. We'll go in there for a second. I can't read the Greek. Do you have this in English, like menu in English? Outside. Okay. You got order outside if you want the English. Kedu Kodi. Kedu Kodi. No, I don't. I'm from Nigeria, but I speak Yoruba. And I speak Edo language. Mo gbọ́ Yorùbá dáadáa. Ó gbọ́ díẹ̀. Okay, but Sunday. Yeah. Kí lorúkọ àti yẹn? Louis. Okay. You live in Lagos? Abulegba. No, where? Okay. When I lived in Lagos, I went to Igbobi College. But it's really in Igbobi. Yeah, I lived in I see John area. Yeah. Oh, no, it's not. I don't know. I haven't been there in like 40 years. No, I live in the US. Yeah. Washington area. Yeah. You live here? Oh, nice. Where are the good Nigerian restaurants? Where's that? Is it far from here? By train. What line is it on? What line is that on?
If you want to go now, just enter that 5 minutes. And that 5 minutes.
Bus. Okay, I only have train ticket. Do I have to? I buy bus. Okay. I'm gonna try that because I like to eat.